Construct a triangle having the same area as a given circle at any random distance in your compass and draw a circle with a radius about 3 to 4 centimeters. Draw the diameter on the left side of the circle. Construct a 90-degree angle. Of the circle. 1, 2, and 3. Now construct a 90-degree angle on the right side of the circle. Now, at the center of the circle, construct a 30-degree angle. This is the 60 degree. Now, we have to bisect it to get a 30-degree angle. Now, join this intersection point to this intersection point, like this. Now, set your compass to the distance between both the points and mark an arc on your 90-degree angle line, like this. Now join point of intersection to the diameter. That's it. Now this is the required triangle.